Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a sparkling panning effect to your videos on CapCut. So first, just add your clips and then go to video effects. Click on the star and add sparkle effect. This one. And adjust the size into 30, like this. Okay, you can just lower the noise into 0 and lower the blur if you want. Okay, after that you can just go back, click on the check icon and add another effect. Now go to the nightclub category and add the play pendulum effect. Adjust the intensity to 4 and then speed 10. And for the twist and sharpen, you can just lower it to 0. Click on the check icon and add the last effect. Click video effect nightclub and add the shake effect. Adjust the speed to 4 or 5 and intensity to 5 also. Click on the check icon and you are done. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.